last 8 or 9 days, I have spent only $114, and surprisingly, I got 8 orders from this spend, which is good. And what I'll do is I just paste it here. And rather than just showing 10% off with code, it looks amazing now. You can see here. Hey guys, Hardy here from ecomhardy.com. This video is about how to create the first Facebook ad for your Shopify website and start getting orders from the customer straight away. So let's get started. This is the Shopify admin panel here. I have created this website, perfectfriend.com, within just one single day. It is fully optimized website. I still have to add few more sections to the homepage, but it looks nice and clean. Everything is there. And if I click to any of the page, you can see the product page opens up very quickly. If I click to that, it opens up very quickly. So that's what you want. Your customers, if your website speed is faster, your customer retention would be higher. And ultimately, if the product page is also fully optimized, you will get more sales. And if you want to learn more about it, then visit my website, ecomhardy.com. You will find a bunch of free tools and tutorials there, as well as subscribe to my Ecom Hardy YouTube channel as well. And you will be notified first when I create another video in the future. So if I go back to the Shopify admin panel here, if I go to sales channels, make sure you install and activate the Facebook and Instagram sales channel. If you don't find it here, simply click to all recommended sales channel here, and you will find it here. If you still don't find it somewhere here, then simply click to Shopify App Store, and you can search for Facebook and Instagram. And once you search for Facebook and Instagram, you will find this sales channel here. Simply install now and activate. And once you activated the sales channel, it will show something like this. Or you can click to sales channel and it will show up here. Once you open it, it will show up and you can pin it here. Okay. Once you pin it, you have to connect the Shopify store to your Facebook and Instagram. By the way, this is the brand new Shopify store and I haven't created the Facebook page yet. So what I will do is I'll click to get started and here connect account, and it will open up the account like Facebook account where you will continue. You can view the access and then continue. And here you will find all the business assets. By the way, if you don't find it, do not worry. You can create the new Facebook page directly from here. Click to create new and go to Facebook. So you will be redirected. You have to add the business page name, category, profile photo, and cover photo. So simply go to Facebook, and now I will give the page name as Perfect Friend. Categories dog or pet. Supplies. Once it's there, Perfect Friend is. Now, once I'm happy, create the page. Once the page is created, what I can do is I can go to my website here and copy the link, go back and paste it here. I can also provide the number if I want to, but for now I'll leave it blank. I give the address. So support@perfectfriend.com. In your case, could be different email address, and the address and everything I will add later. For now, I will leave it blank or confirm the mobile number later. Next, profile picture. I can upload the profile picture directly from my computer. Add cover photos and click to add. Go to downloads. Go with this one. Select that. And I can adjust the cover photo like that. WhatsApp number, I'll skip it for now. Right friend, I skip it for now. Marketing and promotional emails about your page. I activate that. And done. So everything looks good here now. So what I'll do is I'll go back and business assets, make sure it is showing up here. If it doesn't show up, simply refresh the page. Now it is showing up here. So I'll tick the tick box of that Facebook page and connect it. And I do not have the business portfolio. So what I'll do is I create the new business portfolio for this website of this particular business. Create new, and it will create the new business portfolio. So connect, and new business portfolio is created. What I'll do is I go with maximum data sharing, which can help me optimize my Facebook better, and it will give me more ads revenue. Everything looks good to me here. So what I'll do is I save it, and Shopify business has been successfully created. Close here. Now you have to create the meta pixel. So what you have to do is simply click to create, and it is created automatically to this pixel. Create the ad account, simply click to create, and it will create the ad account as well. Simply confirm terms and conditions, accept, and submit for review. So now it's finalizing the channel setup. Everything looks perfectly fine as it should be, and it's processing perfectly. Now what you have to do is next make your products available to Facebook and Instagram. Simply click to publish products here. So click to publish and select all the products. Simply click to these three dots and include in the sales channels, and make sure the Facebook is selected. By the way, I want to include all the products to all of these sales channels, so I just select all, but you just have to make sure the Facebook and Instagram is selected and include the products. Once it's done, simply it is started including the products to Facebook sales channel. Close this tab, and now it is syncing the products to your shop. Once it starts syncing and it's showing to the shop, you can check. Now you can create the campaign. So you have completed the optimizing your shop. Simply create the campaign, and it will open up the ads manager.facebook.com, and here it is showing you all the ads accounts. Now this is the ad account you want to go with. If you go back, go to the settings here and to the pages, everything looks good. Ad account. Here is the ad account. What I'll do is I'll click to these three dots and add it. And I would like to change the ad account name, so at least I would know which one is which. So this one sounds good. Perfect Friend ad account. My business, save changes. I do not have Instagram account, so what I'll do is click to add and create the Instagram account if I want to, but for now I will not create. In future, if I create it, I just simply add it directly from here. Data sources, so catalog and Shopify product catalog. So this is the catalog for the Perfect Friend business. So what I'll do is I find the way to rename this catalog if I could. So click to Commerce Manager, and this is the one. Simply select settings and business portfolio info, and here you will find the business name. So what I'll do is Perfect Friend Business Portfolio, and you can use the Facebook page name or URL here. So just imagine this is the Facebook page you created recently. So I just need to copy this part, and this is the Facebook page URL, and what I'll do is I just paste it here, and it found it. Save changes. So now the portfolio has renamed. Make sure everything is updated here as well. So you just refresh the page, and you can see here the product started syncing. 25 products has been synced and approved directly. You can always view all the sync products directly from here, and if there is an issue with the products, it will show up here that it's not approved or something, and you have to find that and fix the issue to make sure those are getting approved and available to be promoted. Now once the business portfolio has been updated, let me close all the other tabs. Now I go and click to data sources and pixels, and here I need to change the pixel name as well. So what I'll do is I select Open Events Manager, and here I change the pixel name. It's called Perfect Friend Business Pixel. So that sounds good. Now continue to pixel setup. Select the connection method. Choose how you would like to connect your website so you can start sending web events. So first option is Conversion API. Send web event and parameters directly from your server using API. Or second one is send web events and parameters through the web browser your customers use when interacting with your website. So you can use API directly. That would be more accurate, I guess. So once you select that, set up with partner integration. So I select that and next, and Shopify, and go to Shopify, select your account, and it will show up here. So if I go down, you can see here Perfect Friend Business Pixel has been connected. which we connected earlier actually. Now everything looks good. So it is under review. Do not worry. It just shows that, and then go next, and it says verify your pixel is working correctly. So what you have to do is simply copy your website URL and go back here and enter your website here, send traffic. So we are going to test the traffic. So right now it is checking. So make sure you open the same tab. It opened up. Now let me click any of the products and see here if it's active. So it shows it's active. Now go next and test events manager. So open that, and we are testing for the events. So what you have to do is test events, click to that. Again, enter the website, test events. Make sure you close other tabs. And you see here it is showing the page view progress. Now if I click any of the product, it shows change like view content. Now if I add to cart and view cart, it shows added to cart. So that's good. So if I continue to check out, it looks here initiate checkout. So it is perfectly working. That's what you want. Simply close this one. You don't want to even do the test order or anything. This is perfectly working fine. So everything is looking good. Now I can click to overview, and I'm happy with that. So I just close the event manager tab and finish here. Everything is fine. I can finish that tab as well, or close that tab. So everything looks good. I just have to wait and watch, but rather than wait and watch, I click to Facebook and Instagram and open up here, run ads on Facebook, Instagram. So click to create ad. So it will open up the ads manager, and here let me close other tabs, and it will ask you to add the payment method. So simply make sure you add the additional information and payment method, everything. So it will allow you to create the advertisement. So what I'll do is I add the payment method. Make sure you select the local currency and the location, because if you select the wrong location and currency, you will not be able to change it later. So make sure the time zone and everything is correct. This is the crucial part. And once you select the correct one, go next. And I select my PayPal account. I will also add the business and tax info later, but make sure you add it or enter as soon as possible. Otherwise, Facebook will not allow you to continue. Then go to next, and you select your PayPal account. Basically, once you select your PayPal account, once you enter the PayPal account details, you just the adding business details for now. Finally, it is at the stage where you can create your first advertisement on Facebook ads. Now what I can do is simply click to create, and account info needed. So go to account overview and see what info, add payment method. I have already added. I don't know why it's showing like that, but let's add quickly. So actually once you added the payment method, it will ask you to add the phone number as well. So now we click to create buying type. Make sure you select the auction, and you scroll down and select the sales, continue. And here there would be two options, Advanced Shopping Campaign and Manual Sales Campaign. If you don't know much about Facebook ads and how to optimize, then it is always recommended to go with the Advanced Shopping Campaign to start with. And then once you start learning more and more, you can go and select the Manual Sales Campaign. So let's start with Advanced Shopping Campaign first and continue, and give your campaign a name. Category, your ad, I don't want to. Category declaration, just leave it blank. And Shopify product catalog. If it's already there, you simply select that. If it's not there, what you have to do, go back to your Shopify and select Shopify product catalog from here. And here you will see all the sets. Simply select sets. And if I want to create new set, simply create, manually select items or use filter. I would prefer to go and select use filter. Now just imagine if I want to create the dog beds catalog or set, then simply select use filters and type in dog beds, and then at least one filter or all filter. Item must match. So I would prefer all filters, and then title contains dog bed, dog beds, select that, bed like that. And I would add another filter, that quantity, so availability, is in stock. I don't want to advertise any products which are out of stock. So make sure you add this condition as well. And now once you added that condition, simply create. So that way you can create the whole new set. By the way, I want to advertise all the products in this campaign for now, but you can customize or specifically target the particular products by set. So what I'll do is I'll go back to Ads Manager and make sure I scroll down and maximize number of conversion is selected here. And the conversion event is purchase. Here, all products or dog beds, whichever you want to select. I would select all products for now. Daily budget, I would go $10 at least. Do not go lower than $10, otherwise won't give you much result. So $10 you can start with and see how you go. And everything looks good here. I scroll down, start date today, and here instead of 12:09, I would give at least some extra time. So, and this looks good. I select next. Now it goes to the second option where it says Advanced Shopping Campaign ad name. So I would say add as all products because it is for all products. And you can see right now here it is showing up how does the ad look like. Simply select use Facebook page. Carousel is good. Single image is perfect. You can use slideshow as well, but in my experience I found like single image carousel works best. The product name is good. Do not put the pricing because I found like pricing doesn't work that good if you advertise pricing upfront. But it is up to you. Primary text, you can create better primary text if you want to. That's called ad copy. So what you can do is go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, hello, I want to create a Facebook ad for my perfect friend website where I sell pet blanket and more. 10% off available for Facebook ads. Customer with coupon code FB10. And ChatGPT will help you to create a nice ad copy or the description and everything. So what you have to do is simply copy and paste. So get 10% off premium pet essentials. Simply copy that, come back here, and what I'll do is I just paste it here. And rather than just showing 10% off with code, it looks amazing now. You can see here, right? So I'm happy with that. And once I am happy, you can also add the enhancements. So click to enhancement, and you can add more dynamic media if you want to. So select that. If you want to add with music or adapt to placements, if you want to, dynamic description placement. And then once you select the relevant ones, simply save. And once you're happy with the ad, you can always go with the advanced preview and you can see all the ads again properly. How does it look like and everything. And I'm happy with that, so I just save. By the way, I forgot to tell you that here under the Instagram account, make sure you connect your Instagram account first and add that. In our case, right now we haven't created Instagram account yet, so I would leave it blank for now. But in future, once I create one, I come back here and I will add that Instagram account here. Then I scroll down and under the website URL, make sure you copy the website URL and paste it here. Happy with that. The display link can be just like short link, and that's it. That's how you create the Advantage shopping ad. Simply click to publish. Now let me show you how to create the manual ad shopping campaign, which can be more effective if you know what you're doing and if you can optimize yourself time to time. Click to create new ad and auction is selected. Sales, continue. Manual sales campaign, continue. And here I give a name to my ad campaign. So new sales campaign or all products manual campaign. So you know by name what campaigns you are editing. Now if I scroll down here, campaign objective is sales, Shopify product catalog, which is good. I don't want to select Advantage campaign budget in this one, but you can. If you select that, then you giving the budget to this campaign, and all the other ad sets has this overall budget divided into. But I will go with no and next. And to this ad set, I will give you the name all products ad set. Other conversion location is website, so I want to make sure that is selected. Maximize number of clicks, no. Make sure maximize number of conversion is selected. Purchase, scroll down. I want to target all the products, and then I will create another ad set where I will target only dog beds. So all products, give a daily budget $10 per day, and then you don't worry about $10 per day. You just run for 7 days, so that would be $70 something, and then see whether you get any results or not. If you do not, then you can reduce the budget or increase the budget. Now I scroll down here, I click to select more options, and my targeting minimum age is not 18. I would like to target at least 22 or older. Then scroll down, audience suggestions. I will select that, and here make sure the age is between 22 or above. All genders, detailed targeting is, I would select dog, particularly target like dogs as animal, and I will go with only one targeting for now, so I will know what I'm doing. With this one particular interest target, I can see like estimated daily result is 2,500 reach, and conversion events could be between 6 to 18, which is actually high, and I don't think it gives that many conversions, but let's see what happens. And once that looks good, I go next. And now this is the all products ad, and here I will also write carousel, so at least I know it is carousel and single image. And next ad I can create with carousel slideshow, and the third ad I can create the single image slideshow. Now this one is selected. I'm happy with that. Looks good here. I scroll down primary text. So I go to ChatGPT again, copy the ad copy we created here. So simply paste the primary text, 10% off premium pet essentials, and website, copy the link, paste it, display link has shortened URL. That's good. His account need to access the pixel. Something is wrong with the pixel. You make sure you check that. So, and then publish. Now it seems like there is a setup error because account has some issues. It says fix errors, and it says your account need access to pixels. So you go back here and open your Facebook and Instagram sales channel in your Shopify, and go to settings here and make sure you select pixels. So here is the pixels. It continue, and it is already connected, so I don't have to worry about it. I don't know why it is showing that kind of error, but hopefully if it doesn't go away, what you can do is simply click to the pixel here and check whether it is selected. So yes, it is connected there. What I can do is I simply select settings here, and I double check all other things. So sharing ad account, simply select share with an ad account, that pixel, and it will open up the pixels under the data sources. And make sure full control is selected, save changes, partners, connected asset. You can assign the asset if you want to, then perfect friend ad account, then select add, done. Now partners, you don't have to assign people. If you want to assign to anyone else as well, and select all, full control. So both parties have full control assigned. Now this pixel is assigned to these particular people, and they have full control. So now if I go back to the Ads Manager, if I refresh the page, I should be able to see the error go away. So error is gone now. If it's not, simply click to publish, and hopefully the error is gone. If the ad is still not active, you will find the message and you just work on it. But now everything is set. You can see here I have 2 campaigns created, and both campaigns are currently under approval stage. And once they are approved, you can see ad sets and everything under the campaigns. And once they are approved, you will see the ads are live. Let me open my another ads account and show you how does it look like. So this is my another ads account where I promote my other website products. And you see I have this many campaigns here. This month, in last 8 or 9 days, I have spent only $114, and surprisingly I got 8 orders from this spend, which is good. And if I click to open that particular campaign, I can see the active ads. And out of the active ads, I can see this particular ad gave me 5 orders, this particular ad gave me 3 orders, and this ad gave me nothing. So I can work it out which ad is perfectly working, which ad is not working fine, and I can disable or enable or turn the ads on and off. I can also set the ad budget accordingly, depends on which ad is perfectly working and generating more revenue. So you can see out of $56, I got 5 orders, which is good, and it's still under the learning stage. So this is how you can connect your Shopify store to the Facebook and start getting orders from the Facebook ads. Hope you learned something new today. I know this video was a little bit longer than you expect, but it is how it works. Just follow each and every steps, and hopefully that will help you to create your first Facebook ad and will start increasing your revenue on your Shopify store. If you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notified for the future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions, and if you share this video to your Facebook and other social media, it will be much appreciated because it will help me to boost my YouTube channel in high ranking on YouTube, and it will help me to gain more viewers and subscribers in future, which will encourage me to create more videos for you. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.